Let's go to the site. Yeah, let's go. Let's push me, please. You're pushing me. What's that, right? She's pushing me. Let's see if she has to point in one and then the other. It's better now? Yes, of course. Bera bultzatzen ari dit, lehenengo sartuaz eta ondaren. Horrela beto ez da? Bai! Kaixo, Ane! Kaixo, Aitor, joaten gara baratzera futbolera jolastera? Vale, baratzean oso ongi jolastuko dugu. Pasa bolaiaz, mutil. Vale, ba. Zer egiten duzue baratzen ezin da jolastu, tontoia duzue. Vale, vale. You're going to be careful. You are going to break the plastic. Oh, yes, sorry. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, and you? I am fine. Do you want to go to the school? Yes, let's go. Hey, can you help to picking up a stone? We have two baskets? Yes. Stones have to be removed. Throw them into the correct basket. Kaixo, laguntzen dira zute harriak hauek kontxitxora botatzera? Bai! Baratzeko harria kontxitxora bota behar dira. Materiala zaindu behar da. Egia da. Materiala zaindu baratze honetan. What was that noise? You have to take care with the materials. That's it. Be careful and respectful with the plants and materials.